Hello guys, so welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on JFL TV, the home of football. So if today is the first time we see our program, for you to bring you the latest Arsenal news updates as they drop all over the world. So for now, most start with today's news. Our William Saliba don't come outside from media setting when they talk about in stay on loan and how everything they go. So Baba can talk say now, presently, say he don't realize. Say loan when go out from Arsenal. Say they very good for him. Say in fact the thing improve him. Say they very important for him mentality, and that is what we are talking about. Not say that's how they talk. Say Saliba never dey ready because Arteta will be the manager. They tell you will be player. Say you are not ready. Still stay out on loan because how many go use you? How many go tell you cannot be doing self-assessment. You cannot be assessing yourself by yourself. Now an external party now go tell you say okay they do well, you know they do well. So that time Saliba dey vex. That is why when Saliba never sign contract, people can speculate say because of the way Arteta take treat am. That is why he no wan sign a contract extension. But look at Saliba now coming around to testify that those loan moves, even though you know they happy, were very good for his development, and that what they help am today. And what make me dey talk this thing now because of the same scenario they play out again. We dey see the same movie again in Fola Balogun when the manager is telling you you are not ready yet. Calm down, at least one more year. Let us see, develop. But Papa say, no, I am ready. Now he dey assess himself by himself, which is highly wrong. And a lot of people are cheering him on. Everybody dey look the future. They talk say, yes, we will regret. If we sell am, we will regret. We don't. When you are speculating, don't speculate positively. What of negatively? Speculate the other side too. Don't only look at the right, look at left also. So, what if this guy is not ready as soon as they cheer him on and he can't go outside? At the end of the day, he make a mess of himself. Why not they look at from that direction? Not only they look say yes, he will succeed. So what if he flops and fails? All those things are what are on the table. Don't cherry pick the one to talk about. Yes. So look at all the variables. Come ask what is the manager's opinion. The manager is saying you are not ready. Have patience. You are saying I am not going to have patience. I am ready. Which person will go take? Well, in the future, that will tell us. Alright, so on a lighter note, so Kai Havertz, so he don't come with the family to London Colney. They take them into the dressing room. They see everywhere. They were very happy. They were welcome at Arsenal. So Baba Fantasy said this is going to be the beginning of their new home. You get that? This is short. This was actually the first day of their new home. That's why he posted them for Instagram, and we are very happy to. I think I saw his mom, his dad, his wife, brother, sister. They're plenty. They come. So I just say happy for him. At least him don't come. Even Julian Tim herself, we even see him go back to Holland. Get to go watch one friendly where Ajax play one team like that. This say as not come and review medical. He go just stay with the boys. But well, wish them all the best of luck. The only two people they wait for now make them unveil this Rice. I think na Rice. They never unveil Rice. I don't think they will unveil Timber yet. I think Rice and Timber, only those two now remain. Well, no time. Alright, so about this new striker where Arsenal, the reason this photo striker Taremi Mendy, you get, so I go YouTube go watch the guy. Well, not like it was that spectacular, but well, it's a score. Most of the goals gone, a penalty he scored. Well, it is still something. It's like a bargain, just about getting squad depth because now woman being go play cup. You can't be expecting the Jesus to play all the competition. Even in case I want to be injury come or something happen, so like just about squad depth. It's not like we sign Mediterranean now with the car and go enter the first 11. At least who just gets bites. You don't know what can happen next season. What if the Jesus come get another injury, keep him out for 4 months, you get, or 5 months? Like you never. The future is unpredictable. You don't know what is going to happen. So if they go sign up, it's a bargain. Get 17 million. Come on, it's not like it's that much. So if you pay the money, can come keep for the bench, anything happen, you bring them on. Most see waiting if you bring to the table. But he had 14 assists and scored 31 goals, which means he knows how to collaborate with his peers. At least that one still counts for something. Or just the watch whether Arsenal will trigger the deal, because I know that's not like our A signing again. So the name what they look for, people they look for, the money no dey to go after them now. So maybe in the next summer transfer, because I don't see Arsenal spend 100 million in January. Even though we wanted to spend it in buy 80 million, wanted to spend it in buy Casado in the last January transfer. But like getting the striker 100 million, who will even sell the striker for you by January? So I never really know. We'll just the watch. But even if now winger. At least we just spread goals among ourselves, so we can buy another decent winger that can come and add to the firepower. So at least when it comes to number 9, Trossard can play there. Balogun no dey for now. Keita can play there. Jesus can play there. Havertz can play there. So we can sign one more striker to add, and one more winger to add to the firepower. I think we will be okay. Then one will raise the revenue. Because don't forget, say financial fair play, say they look us now. We didn't spend money this time around. No, last summer transfer we spent. We didn't spend money gone. Okay, so FFP they look us. So well, we no enter their crosshair. Alright, so the England under 21, they don't beat Spain for the final of the European Championship. So I'm very, very happy for Smith Rowe. So I was actually rooting for him and the boys. That England under 21, they get mad talents for that team. They're good and they can't even set one record. You know that they played that competition without conceding one single goal. I don't know whether anybody don't do them before, but somebody if you don't do them, I don't know. But it was remarkable. Like, you know what it means? Play the group stage, beating everybody all through the final, they don't concede one goal. Even the final itself, this somehow controversial because there were 4 red cards. But at the end of the day, England still came out on top. They beat Spain 1-0. So they don't celebrate, they are happy. So Mr. Peter will come back to Arsenal with his medal, his gold medal, and at the same time, we hope he will take that same form, enter the new season for Arsenal. For him to play all those matches he played, even though some are from bench, but it shows his match ready, his feet, his groin problem with the disturbance those days are now over and behind him. So now it's a new beginning. For those who know they are aware, so Man City don't slap £25 million on Aymeric Laporte. So this is a centre back at Man City, Arsenal, Manchester United, Spurs. They are scamping the guy. So I never know where the guy will go last because for Arsenal it's not really a priority for us. But I don't even know why we want. Well, they link us to the guy because City the reason to raise money because they want to buy Josko Gavidor and leaves it they say 100 million and above. So then they prepare money. They will take go for the guy. But to make I ask you now, do you think is this like do we need him? But for me personally, I don't think so. We need this Laporte. There are many areas we need to fill in the gap. We don't get plenty of people if you play that centre back role. A lot of right backs when they versatile if you play there comfortably. So why get Laporte will constable bench? Because we have our first 11, the mainstay already. Our first 11 consists of Saliba and Ibrahimovic. So any other centre back you are bringing is going to settle for a place on the bench. And Laporte will not be happy to sit on the bench. Everybody wants to play. So that's just it. Alright, so Arsenal don't play their first pre-season friendly against Watford. So they played 1-1. And for the first 11, well, some names they did, some strong names. At least Jesus play, Nketiah play, some players. They had some academy join them, but it's still a decent. Marquinhos nice scored the only goal of the match. That's how it happened. That's how we played the last season. When we start our pre-season, so we play woefully before we can travel, we can hit the gear, as in we hit the ground running, not anybody. So well, this time around we are playing tougher matches. Imagine a pre-season when you are playing a Barcelona, you are playing a Manchester United, you are playing MLS All Stars. That's some kind of strong games. Then after I finish that one, you are coming to the Emirates Stadium to come and play the Emirates Cup against AS Monaco. With a Pidgin for that French league. After that one, you can't play the almighty Man City. The kind of pre-season friendly matches where they give us an amendment as in test ourselves against the top teams in Europe. So we'll just see how everything will turn out. Me, I just pray say, come out unscathed, like come out with our heads high, knock anybody, knock cable. I will be very, very happy. I just pray say we'll find where to watch them. I know that there's still will show all these matches. So we'll just show that watch them online. Even Gilberto Silva don't come and say they advise Arsenal. See when they use last season's frustration, use them as the fuel to power the team to glory this new season when they come. Because if you watch that last season and the previous season before this last one, we used the frustration of not qualifying for Champions League. We thought that was confident about how we can finish fifth. We use and fuel our season. And then we'll finish second. So people say, Arsenal they para out. So what happened that previous season? This time around, I want to use that one that happened last season. We'll finish second. We could have won the league. We'll carry out and do that extra push for this new season to let people know say what happened last season was not a fluke, because most people are feeling that what happened last season Arsenal no go fit replicate am. See, Arsenal are like one season wonder, so we challenge for the league title once in like how many years? Over 20 years or thereabouts. So now they once we don't come back, so we want to challenge the league. So this time around, we know they hide from anybody. Don't say last season they ask us, are you going for the league? We say no, we are taking it a game at a time again. This time around, we are going for the league. We talk am, we put our chest, they talk am out loud. Don't be going, we say no, let's take it a game at a time. No. This time around, we are going for now the league, we won with the league. You get, so let everybody know, you get. Anything will happen. So that's how it's going to be this season. Alright, Bayer Leverkusen don slap 50 million euros on Jeremy Frimpong, and that's about 42.7 million pounds. So they're talking if Arsenal won't sign the guy, that's the money it will cost to make Arsenal cough up that money. And one thing you understand about all these German leagues, not be all of them they like to quote, like they exaggerate players' value. Apart from maybe Dortmund, they say if you want to sign some kind of player with 90 million, 100 million, the rest, really, they are star players. Imagine a Musa Diaby. Musa Diaby is almost as good as Bukayo Saka. If you want to sell Saka, she will cost Saka 50 million. Saka will cost like 100, 200 and something. Look at Frimpong now. He's also a decent player. Get, if now Diaby don't want to sell for us, now say okay, when they say Diaby like 60 million. Get, it's still a decent bargain. Look at this Frimpong. If you watch that guy highlights, if truly say that's so in they play, so no be say they just compile all in best moments. If truly say that's so in be. That guy is a bargain. The guy is good. The guy play like Saka raised to power too. If this guy and Saka play for that right wing, they will scatter any defense. Like I can smell it. I don't know. I can smell it. But now whether Arsenal will put their money where their mouth is, whether they will actually pay for that guy, or just the watch. Transfer window still long. Just be like say Arsenal just do their deals early, back. The whole of July na transfer window, the whole of August na transfer window. It's still far gone. So what just the watch? I know say more names will be added to our play. Alright, so Arsenal they push Southampton to actually drive the price of Romeo Lavia down. You get say that 50 million pounds so that they quote say they very, very high. It is too much. So but then bring her down. But Southampton they feel say they don't get any reason to bring her down. They are not under pressure to sell because why? Liverpool are in the race. Manchester United said they check the guy. Chelsea, like they are like 4 big teams looking at the guy, so they are feeling that they have a bidding war on their hands. And for the fact that Jurgen Klopp really likes that player, he like the player, but Liverpool and Arsenal they hold back. They tell Southampton to say make them reduce that 15 million valuation, and it is too high. Now the way Manchester United don't enter the race because they need another midfield enforcer. Even Chelsea, I don't know what Chelsea they find for the guy, they don't come up for Casemiro deal. Like I don't know what's going on with this Chelsea set. But we'll just watch if this Southampton if you reduce the price, we'll go sign the guy. But if you sell Partey, we'll join more money buying. Like there are a lot of things where they dependent on what happen to Partey. Because if Partey come out now, we will really push. But if he don't come out, at the end of the day, we may not really need the guy. But we'll just watch. Even Reparo self, maybe Arsenal legend, don't come outside the urge Arsenal, so make them sell Kylian Tierney to Newcastle. Number one, but back on the talk say, having a player that is unhappy in your ranks is very bad for camaraderie. It's very bad for team bonding. Somebody like Kylian Tierney is not happy at Arsenal, and the reason being that his injuries, his niggling injuries, don't really help him play. Yes, and you say the guy they come with a burst of speed, any small touch like this, don't fly, break your ankle. So that is why no really they play. And the fact that the way we set up in his own style not favorable to the manager, so Bandit talk say it will make sense. Make carry him go join Newcastle. Or why they call Newcastle? Because people say Newcastle get deep pockets, they will be bring better money to sign Kylian Tierney. But at the same time, there are other people who are really interested and may like to sign him if Arsenal actively put him on the market, because as it stands now, Kylian Tierney is not on the market. So anybody who won't come buy him, yes, we just quote one kind of exorbitant price for making jackpot, something ridiculous. But until Arsenal puts him actively on the market, different suitors will come. But then they already put up a market on shade down. Not everybody say this guy is for sale. Till then, he's not for sale for now. Alright, even the Sun said, don't come outside and say Erik ten Hag, who the Manchester United coach, is actually observing Thomas Partey's situation at Arsenal again, because just like Tierney, Partey is not actively on the market. Now Partey and the agent and they offer themselves to different clubs, say I would like to buy my player, all those kinds of things. But actually nobody really puts the guy. So they are saying next week Ten Hag is going to make a move for Thomas Partey. So now Maritime Spirit, they call the Sun. And then come outside and let us know this new development. Well, let's just watch now. Partey hand the day. Nobody will ask him to leave. If him say he won't leave, when a player tells you they want to leave, it is ideal for you to let them go. Don't force them to stay because it will be disastrous. So if they are play for the badge, you get, for the love of Arsenal. If that love is no longer there, you get. So let's just wait and see how everything will turn out. So my dear Arsenal lovers, if you don't watch yesterday, you should check the top left corner of your screen. You'll see the thumbnail. Click and so that you get all Arsenal updates as they drop all over the world. So CHUKS signing out. Enjoy the rest of your day and game out.